We inspire the joy of creativity in everyone, everywhere, every day. Since 1929, Wilton has been helping home bakers and cake decorators all over the world create sweet treats and beautiful desserts by giving them the tools to make it fun and easy. The Wilton name is known around the world for cake decorating, candy making, bakeware, and party products. At Wilton, we're passionate about bringing the love of baking and decorating to every consumer. Hey guys, it's Stephanie from Wilton. Having good quality bakeware is just as important as having a good recipe, but there's so much out there that it can be confusing and a bit overwhelming. This video today is going to help you understand the most common types of baking pans and what they're used for. The first type of bakeware I'm going to talk about is your traditional. Now this is your standard typical choice. These are your square pans, your round pans, your sheet cake pans. What I have right here is a square pan. Now these typically have high, straight, flat sides and a straight bottom to give you a nice even bake. An important thing to note about traditional pans is that you have a lot of different choices when it comes to coating. Now what I have right here is an aluminum pan. What's great about this is it's so durable, it's gonna last you a really, really long time. Now you also have a choice of non-stick coating. Now the non-stick coating will help you with the release of the cake, but you want to make sure you still use a non-stick spray like Bake Easy to give you a good clean release. Now these are dishwasher safe. Yay! So you can put them in your dishwasher, but you also want to note if you have a dark coating like this, you want to make sure that you either reduce your bake time or your temperature, because the darker the coating, the faster your cake is going to bake. A popular type of bakeware is the Cupcake Pan. These make small portions all at once. Typically it makes a dozen. Usually you pair it with baking cups for easy release, which is awesome for identical portions.
Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are a great alternative to disposable cups, ideal for baking, snack cups, lunch, and much more. Each measures 1.38 inches high and fits inside any standard muffin pan. And they're freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe when it's time to clean up. You won't need grease or cooking spray with these baking cups, as your food will effortlessly release. They come in a pack of 24. And in fun colors kids will love: pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, and purple. Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are sure to make your next baking experience fun, easy, and economical.